Welcome to Home Tester Club review. In this video, I want to show you if you can make money with Home Tester, or if Home Tester is legit or a waste of time. But first of all, if you want to get my number one recommendation to make money from home, click the link down below in the description of this CQ video. I will send it to you into your email inbox. So Home Tester Club, this is a legit platform that you can earn some extra income here online by doing some tests on these kind of products. I'm going to show you some of the products that you can do tests here on Home Tester Club. Okay, so how does it work is that you're going to create your own free account here with Home Tester. With Home Tester, it is available all over the world, guys. Okay, just keep that in mind. So what happens is that you're going to help people to do a better shopping, guys. Okay, there are companies out there that they are creating these kind of products, that they produce this kind of products. You're gonna get this, you have to apply first of all. Okay, you have to apply, and then they're gonna give you some tests, so that they're gonna give you the product that you have to, that you will test, that you're gonna test at your home. They're gonna send it to you in your home, and that's gonna ship the product for free to you and then you're gonna make a review. You're gonna test the product, you're gonna give them a report if you like the product or if you don't like the product, and also how they're gonna able to improve the product. Okay, that's how you're gonna get paid by doing that. I'm gonna show you some of the products that you can also test here, guys. Okay, in this video, so you can say you're gonna register for your product test. To match the right testers with the right products, we need to answer a few simple questions. Qualify if you find the right product for you, we're gonna back touch into you. So you have to apply first of all in order. If you are accepted here, guys, if you are accepted, they're gonna send products in your house. Maybe they're gonna send some spices, they're gonna send some food, what else? Maybe they're gonna send any product that is related to you, maybe you can use in house. Okay, you're gonna use it for free, and these are the products that you have to test. Okay, these are the recently home tested products, like a milk. You have to test it. You have like these Robertson spices, you have to test this Berlin for coffee. These new products, you have to test them, guys. Okay, and see if they are good or not, or if they work, they are good or not before this product they're gonna be sold on the retailers. You have to test them, and so you're gonna get paid by doing these, guys. Okay, do not underestimate this kind of method. You're gonna get paid by testing these kind of products. You'll see that so many reviews, 1,000 reviews, people that are leaving good reviews about it. Also, you're gonna leave your own review. As you can see that these are Jungle Oats cornflakes. I'll test them, and also if you like them or not, you're gonna give them some feedback. This Sunlight washing liquid, you're gonna give them some. I'm gonna give them some you're gonna give them some report, guys. Okay, whether you like the product or not. That's how you're gonna make some money here on this kind of product, guys. Okay, on this kind of website. So it is legit, guys. Okay, just keep in mind. But first of all, if you want to make money online without doing these kind of reviews, click the link down below in the description of this video. I will send it to you into your email inbox with a free training that helped me to make over $1,000 per sale online, guys. Okay, that helped me to have financial freedom, that helped me to quit my 9-to-5 job and pursue my online business, guys, to make money from home, guys. Okay, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I'll send it to you into your email inbox. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, and may God bless you. Good luck, sharp, guys.